Hey everyone, my name is Josiah, and as you know, I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living, and I'm here to help you be able to do the same. I come on here every day, show you what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and at what price levels I'm looking to get in and out of them so that you can follow along and learn the numbers for yourself, because we don't trade with emotions around here. We always trade by the numbers. So let's get into the market, see where I see things going today, and get ourselves a plan together. In the pre-markets, we've got the S&P down already over 0.5%. A lot of my watch list is looking red. It's not looking like a pretty day right now, I'll be honest. However, with that being said, we've had several days now downtrending since Friday, and I would expect, especially since Monday is going to be closed. There will be no trading on the stock market on Monday due to the holiday. So we're going to have ourselves a 3-day weekend, which usually exaggerates the Friday sell-offs. So this is kind of our last chance for the week to have a good day. And despite what the markets is showing, I'm kind of expecting to get a pop today. So that's just my outlook on it. You know, you can only have so many down days before you get a little bit of a pop back. I'm expecting today to be that day. Could be wrong. Been wrong before. I was wrong yesterday. I thought yesterday we'd close in the green, and just didn't happen for us. But we do got some things to talk about. We had the Hong Kong markets. They did close down overnight trading. And crypto's kind of a mixed bag. Most of them's up right now, but we do have a few cryptos that are a little bit negative right now. Bitcoin's just slightly negative at the moment. So there's definitely the chance that we could have a further sell-off day. But as you know on this channel, whether the market's up or down, we're going to find some stocks that are going to make us some money. So let's get into what I'm looking to buy today. And the first thing I want to put on your radar, and this is whether you're a trader or a long-term investor, but I'm definitely looking at Signature Bank, and that's ticker symbol SBNY. Now it's getting back down to my buy level. To me, anywhere in the 160 range is going to be a buy, even if it's 169. If we drop down under 170, I'm going to be picking some up. And if you're holding this long term, this is one of those companies that you could put in your portfolio that could easily double from here without much effort, and could grow 50% from here super easy in a relatively short period of time, and you still got a solid stock in there while you're waiting. This isn't some little small cap company. When it comes to the banking industry, Signature Bank long term for me is my favorite. Now, it's not the big mega companies like some of the others, but the technology and what they're doing gives them a lot of potential. And if you look at their PE ratio, they're way down right now. So you're definitely going to want to check them out at the very least. Another stock I'm going to be looking at for a potential swing trade today is going to be JP Morgan. Okay? We made a lot of money trading JP Morgan, the 111, 112 range, back up to the 114, 115, 116 range. Now, it's not no huge amount, but a nice solid 2% or so, 2 to 3%, and on a stock that you're not worried about it coming down much. I mean, JP Morgan, you know how solid a company that is, as far as they're just not going to move a whole lot. So there's no real risk to the downside on them. And that's what I like about them. That's why I trade them. Something you can put your money into, and you know that it's pretty much just going to gain at these levels. So that's something I'm looking at today, making that trade. And for the third banking stock that we're going to talk about today, and that is SoFi. Now, SoFi's had a lot of selling pressure on it lately. It's been getting brought down to a level where I want to go ahead and get a little piece of it, and that's right around the $5.80 level, $5.85. I think that's a good price to get in. Does it mean it can't come down anymore? No, it could still come down a little bit. However, at these levels we could see a bounce as well, and that's why I want to get in. If it breaks to the upside, I get to ride that up. If it continues to go to the downside, then that's okay. We've got plenty of room to average down and get ready for when it does bounce up. And so it's funny that all three stocks I gave you today are all bank stocks, but I do see some potential in there. And we've talked a little bit about crypto. I seen another YouTuber did a video out there, and they was talking about how Jim Cramer was bashing crypto. And it's going on back and forth about this argument about how Jim Cramer's bashing it. And I know a lot of people watch Jim Cramer because I guess he's entertaining or something, but who the hell's ever made money watching Jim Cramer? I mean, I don't think anybody takes that guy seriously as far as how to make money. If you ever made money following Jim Cramer, leave it in the comments, because I've never seen anything he said ever pan out. But that's a whole nother side note. Make sure that you're liking the channel. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit those notification bells so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'm going to keep bringing you good information. And I know a lot of people just aren't watching these channels right now because everyone knows that the market's coming down. But I implore you, share these videos. Right now is the best time to be learning about the stock market when it's down. You don't want to be starting to learn about it when we go into the next bull market and you're having to learn and chase stocks and all this stuff here. Learn when the market is down. Learn how to make money now. And when the next bull market comes along, you're going to make bank. So that's kind of my wisdom to you today. Till next time, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.